So, how to create a Tide business account? If you're looking for a brand new business bank account, either as a sole trader or as a limited company, then stick around and watch this video as I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get yourself a Tide business bank account completely for free. And the best part about it is you can set it up within minutes and you can start your online business banking almost straight away. And on top of that as well, if you use my affiliate link, which I'll leave on screen now and in the description, you'll receive £50 in cashback once you've signed up to Tide and spent at least £100 on your new Tide card within 30 days. So it's equivalent to 50% cashback. So you're not going to find much better than that as a cashback rate. But yeah, to activate that offer, use code CJGF2F or either the link below and get started with Tide Business today. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come through to this page here, which tells you about the £50 cashback deal. So you just want to go ahead and press open an account. Then once you've pressed open an account, it will give you two options. So you can either set up a Tide business account as a limited company or as a sole trader. So for the example of this video, let's say if we're setting up as a limited company, you just go ahead and click through to it. And then once you've clicked through, you should get this code applied notification at the bottom right here. So if you see that, that means you're applicable for the £50 cashback deal. But if you don't see it, it should give you the option to put the code in manually anyway. So starting off nice and easy, you just need to enter your email address and phone number. And then once you've done that, you should receive a text message to verify your phone number. So you just want to go ahead and enter the one-time code. Then once you've entered the code, you just want to go ahead and enter your full name, along with your date of birth on the next slide here. And then after that, you'll just need to select your nationality. So for the example of this video, I'm obviously from the UK, so we're saying British. Then once you've entered your nationality, you'll just need to enter your address. But this one is your personal address, so not your business one. And then once you've done that, if you've selected limited company, you can now go ahead and find your company on the Companies House register within Tide. So again, just search for your company, and once you've found it, you can go ahead and press next. Then for the next slide, you just need to go ahead and enter your trading information. So that goes for your trading name and your business address. But if it's the same as your personal, you can also say that here. Then once you've done that, you just need to enter your business category. So for the example of this video, we'll say advertising and marketing. But if you have any other business, you can go ahead and search for the categories here as well. And then on the next page, it should pull up all the directors associated with your business. So you just want to go ahead and select yourself. And then once you've done that, there's a few more slides that come up, but then it should pull you through to this page here, where it will then ask you to go ahead and download the Tide app. So once you've downloaded the Tide app, you might need to do an email verification just to confirm everything. So the verification email should look something like this, and you just want to go ahead and say, yes, it's me. And then once you've done that, it should pull you through to the Tide app properly. It might ask you to confirm things again, such as your phone number. But then once you've confirmed your phone number, it will pull you through to this page here, which will confirm the next step for you, which is verify identity. So for this step, you're going to need to get either a passport or a driver's license on standby. So make sure you go ahead and get those and come back to this step once you have them. But then once you've got either your driver's license or your passport, you just want to go ahead and take a photo of it through the app. And then once you've taken a photo of your ID, you just need to take a selfie just to match it to your ID. But once you've sent off your ID, we're almost at the end now. So if we click through to this tab here, you can then see all the different packages that Tide offer. So there's a whole range of things, and they sometimes even offer you a free trial with some of their more premium packages. But if you did just want a basic free one, you can also go standard here. But once you've picked the right Tide package for you, you'll get this message here, which just lets you know that Tide are checking all your documents. So we're almost done now. The one thing we've got to wait for is someone from Tide to check over your ID, just to make sure everything's in order and matches. So waiting time on this is usually about 5 to 10 minutes, but sometimes it can be a little bit longer, depending on a few factors. But you'll get the notification once your account is ready. And then once your account's ready and good to go, It will pull you through to your new Tide dashboard, and you can go ahead and start online business banking straight away. And it's as simple as that. And in regards to the cashback, you'll receive your £50 in rewards the moment you've spent at least £100 on your new Tide card within 30 days. If you found this video helpful though, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions on anything, feel free to comment them below and I'll try to assist you. And thanks again for watching.